Hello y'all, it's Ray here at Parkside Kia with the all-new 2021 Kia Sorento. As you can see, the vehicle has been totally redesigned from front to back and the interior. This is an S model. It is very well spec'd. I'm going to be showing you a little bit about it, so just stay tuned, alright? Now, as you can see, we're in the all-new 2021 Kia Sorento in the interior. This is completely different from the old generation, as you can see. So we have now fully redone gauge clusters, entertainment center, and the console right here has been totally redesigned with some Kia Telluride inspiration in here. This does have a drive mode selector and heated seats in an S model as well. We do have a digital screen here and a 10.5-inch display, as well as our dual climate in an S model. And then up here, a full panoramic sunroof, as you can see. Really one nice big piece of glass that covers it all for you, all right? There's a couple more features I want to show you that'll be around back, all right? All right, y'all, I'm here in the back seat now. Wanted to show y'all a couple things, as you can see. So here in the all-new Sorento, they did do a couple different things. A lot of people were complaining about the cup holders, so they put plenty of them here for us. We have one right here in the door, very easy to access for kids. And then we have two more here in the bench seat as well as another inspiration coming out of the Kia Telluride is the fast chargers in the rear seat. So you do get plenty of fast chargers in this vehicle. You're gonna have a total of 9, so no one ever has to complain or cry about their phones not being charged, all right? We're here in the tailgate area of the 2021 Sorento. So I wanted to show you guys that this is still a third row capable vehicle. Very easy to fold seats up and down, as you can see here. And from the rear, we're gonna have a lot of nice features here. We're gonna have cup holders for the kids if they're back here, more storage areas, and 2 more fast chargers, as well as our power folding seats for the second row. Really nice and easy to really give you a nice room back here and plenty of space to store anything else you need. As you can see, y'all, this vehicle does carry a very strong presence on the road, especially with this K5 inspired grille covered in all gloss black. This vehicle looks nothing like the predecessor to it, as you can see right over here. This is a 2020 LX Sorento, pretty much matching specs. That one is completely at a whole different level, but here we're gonna have similar grills, completely redesigned. Right here we're gonna have our 2 bulb halogens, no fog lights there, and this is fitted in the ebony black color. So very big difference. Once we go down the side, we're gonna see brushed alloy wheels to our black and aluminum alloy wheels, so a much nicer design. We're gonna have our signals here in amber. Down the side, we're gonna go with chrome here. On that side, we're gonna have a black chrome as well with keyless entry. Coming down further back, we're gonna have a nice different and kind of remaining to its original trait and the color in the third window back here from its old one. So right here on the new one, it's going to be completely cut with a shark fin tail here. Very good in aerodynamics and everything else there. Completely redesigned, beautiful vehicle. I know all of y'all have had the previous model are ready to upgrade. Come here to Parkside Kia, come see me. I'll take care of you and I'll put you in one of these to take home today, all right? Y'all take care and we'll see you soon.
It's not a game, it's a rich